Hey guys, happy Monday and welcome back to a new video. If you are a subscriber, if you're not, then welcome. My name is Chelsea. I just got back from getting my hair done. I went and got a silk press because it's been a long time since I had my ends clipped, but I'm gonna wear my hair for a little while, at least until it starts like puffing back up. And in this Texas heat, that may be sooner than later. It's literally been above 100 degrees every single day. She did cut my ends. Like I said, when I went in there, I just knew I was gonna have a full-blown haircut instead of a trim because my ends were really bad. And I'll probably add a picture or something up here because she did take pictures of it and showed me like where she was gonna cut and all of that. So I was grateful for that. She was really nice and really sweet and really took her time. Washing and blow drying and all of that is included in the service. I went on ahead and washed my hair last night because the style I had before was a quick weave, and I'm just like, I'm not going in there with my hair taken down from a quick weave. So I did detangle it and I washed it last night. And when I blow dried it and slept on it and then woke back up, it was just kind of like in a big poof. So I was like, my hair is a mess. And she was like, girl, no, it's not. It just needs a little TLC, and she was right. So yeah, this is my hair. I don't know what the back looks like, but this is my hair. So yeah, I feel like an auntie in this hair. I'm not even gonna lie. This hair, I feel like makes me look more mature, which I'm not mad at, but it's definitely not a bust down 30-inch or nothing like that. So it's 7:57 right now, and I got back maybe 10 minutes ago. And I also have a delivery. So I'm in the process of getting my room together. I've ordered some curtain rods, some curtains, some nightstands, and a plant to go in my room. Just something to make it, I don't know, just make it nice and cozy and just make it, you know, something that I would like to come home to. My nightstands just got delivered. I ordered them off of Amazon, and y'all will see those. And I also, you already know, I'm gonna put the link down below just in case if anybody's interested in those. And yeah, everything is coming together. So I don't know if I told y'all in the last video, but the big items like my couch, my bed, my TV stand, the living room TV, all of that stuff is not here yet. This stuff will come later this week. So I'm really looking forward to that. I don't know what else I'm gonna show you guys tonight. Maybe when I go down and get my nightstands, I'm kind of debating to see if I'm gonna get a person off of TaskRabbit to mount my curtains and put together my TV stand. But I actually am really good at putting stuff together, so I may save that money. Now the curtains and my TV being mounted, I kind of need somebody else to do that. I can't do that on my own. So I may hire TaskRabbit to do that stuff, and I may put my own nightstands together, but we'll see. I guess I'll see you guys later on when I get those nightstands.
A few moments later.
Go back to playing makeup and just do makeup just because, like, why not? It's gonna take 15 minutes to just do. Okay y'all, so I just got done flattering my hair. It does not look the same as when the lady did it when I got my silk press, but y'all seen what it looked like maybe an hour ago, and it was a hot mess. One thing about my hair, it's real thick. Now I have true 4C hair. I knew that the silk press was not gonna last, but I really needed my ends cut. Honestly, I feel like she was being real generous with my ends because I feel like some more could have got cut off just by how they look, but it's all good. So it is nighttime. I'm not really sure what time it is, but I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to put together my nightstands because they came in the other day. I may attempt to put at least one together and see how long it's going to take me, and then kind of just go from there. But I really need both of them up tonight. So let's see. So these are the nightstands. They're just like a 3-drawer nightstand. Really simple, but I thought they were really cute and also a reasonable price. And these boxes are super heavy, so I'm probably gonna like drag one to my room and put it together and just let you guys see the finished product. So, all right, let's just go ahead and start putting these together.
didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh, think it's meant to be. Scary at first when you change, but it's better than being stuck here in your ways. Comfortable, ain't that comfortable no more. Don't wanna go back to how it was before. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh, always meant to be. Oh, always meant to be. Oh, yeah, always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh.